Hello to my channel. If you like my channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for all notifications, and hit like and comment. I am not sponsored. I've been using Ion shampoo repair in my hair. It's their new line. It repairs damaged hair colors, so I am getting my hair colored on March 11th of 2020. So this is the shampoo. It smells great. A hair mask that I need to get more of because I love using this hair mask. I've been trying to fade out my hair. It's not going to work, so it's going to be bleached anyway. I don't know what colors we're going with. I only know 2 colors. I'm not going to tell you what they are. And Jen is picking out the other 2 colors. This is the nightly mask in your hair. So I've been using that in my hair. And when I go to bed, I just braid my hair when I go to bed. So that's the routine of the Ion. I'm not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this all on my own. So I love Ion and their repair thing. I've been using it since about December. So we got December out of the way. Now it's January, February. By the last time I'm going to be washing my hair is sometime in March with this product. Then I'll be done with this product until I get ready to dye my hair again. Then we're switching over to Ion Color Shampoo. I am going to give you tips on this in the next video. So just remember, all of us have different hair types, different style, and different how you guys want to maintain your hair. For me, I do not use heat on my hair. When I dry my hair, I normally take a towel. When it's still wet, I just drape this on the back and just let it dry. I do not squeeze or nothing. Except for now, I squeeze out the excess water and I let it air dry. No, don't use blow dryers, except once in a blue moon, but not really. That's that. I don't use hair gel. I don't use anything like that. Hairspray, I don't, unless if it's a blue moon, like if I'm going somewhere special. If I feel like I need to, I don't. I do, I don't. So otherwise, I don't use that. And yeah, that's what I did, even with the process of repairing my hair. And always use scrunchies in your hair, because like elastic and other hair tie, rubber hair tie, and small elastic bands, unless if you really need them, basically what they can do is like give you damaged ends, break your end. So with scrunchies, they're not as harsh in your hair. Main tip, if you're going to put your hair up, do not pull it tightly. You don't need it that tightly. You can just do simple pull up. You can do a side pull up and just rock it that way. So you don't need your hair tight, because the tighter you pull, the more hair you pull back and you'll get receding hairline. So don't think you guys want that. men or women. So there's my tips of that one, and I am going to do another video on how I take care of my color hair. Alright, see you guys in the future. Bye for now.